Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone without touching any buttons. First of all, on the left side of the phone you have volume up and volume down. On the opposite side you have switch on and switch off your device. First thing you're gonna do, you wanna click volume up, then you're gonna click volume down, and then on the opposite side you're going to hold the turn off button. This is how your screen gonna look like. As you can see over here, all we gotta do is to slide to power off. This particular feature will be very helpful for people with older devices who simply cannot use the button. Maybe the button has a malfunction, maybe there is a particular issue, or the phone might not be accessible. So the way you actually approach the situation, as you saw, is that you click volume up, volume down, and then you hold the turn off button on the other side. Also, if you continue to hold, for example, if you don't want to press the screen at all, or if you're not able to press the screen at all, you can keep holding the switch off button on the other side, and then you could still turn off the device. The device will be forcefully turned off if you keep your fingers on the turn off button, holding the volume down on the other side. Subscribe and follow for more.